Hi there, my name is Goitseone. I'm here to follow my dream. I'm 22 years old as an actor. Wow. Look at you. You always knew that I was a nice person. But you know what? People change. And I deserve to be happy too. So I will just have to do what I have to do. I'm going to make your life miserable as you made mine. You are going to suffer the pain I suffered. You never know what it was like. My life. You never did anything right. So I hate you. I hate you for what you did to me. But you know what? I know one day it's going to be one day. Everything's going to be fine. So, enjoy your life. Be happy. Have a nice life. Bye. Go away. Just go away now.